Un moment.
Ah. You are never this. You came late. You are rushing with phone call. Are you mad yet?
Désolé.
Bien sûr means what? Of course. Désolé. Sorry.
Un moment.
Which means a moment. Just like in English. What you want in your cas, on peut dire excuse-moi. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi, not excusez-moi. Take your time.
Excuse-moi.
Excuse-moi. Donc, désolé, un moment. Excuse-moi. Excuse-moi means excuse me.
Monsieur, Abidjan, excusez-moi.
Ah, good one. Donc, there's a little difference between excuse-moi and excusez-moi. Yeah, when you go to conjugation, you get to know. But excuse-moi is much casual, much informal. When excusez-moi is formal, or referring to group of people. You are in a meeting with your colleagues or clients or prospects. You want to have permission. You can say excusez-moi because there are many.
Okay.
If you are with your boss, excusez-moi because you have to show some respect.
Okay.
So I think you're having a question.
Yes. Do you know what I'm thinking? If you see un moment, then excusez-moi and excuse-moi. It seems they have stolen the English and they make it French. Because I'm saying, if you can relate it. So this one, the fifth one, I'm also saying ça va. And I think they stolen cassava. The way they make on cassava.
Are you sure you want to speak French? Are you sure you want to speak French?
Yeah, I want to speak. I'm just thinking ahead.
I think well. Just calm down and focus on the point here.
Okay.
Pronounce the word as ça va. Now, ça va means a lot of things. First, is okay. Maybe that point one is okay. See, ça va.
Sorry, it has nothing to do with cassava.
Are you sure? Because sometimes when distraction comes, it's not good. You have to just put things down.
Sorry,
Okay. Then, secondly, it can be a question. That's when it ends with question mark. Ça va? Is everything alright? Are you okay? That's the context there. Hey, ça va ici? Is everything alright? Yeah. They can be an insult. Are you okay? Yeah, you meant are you okay? So all these can be used for what? Ça va. C'est clair?
D'accord.
So these were the keywords for the day. Yeah. Now let's now go to the presentation.